How to log into Avant Credit Card online. What's up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily log into your Avant Credit Card online. First thing you do is open up your web browser, go to the search bar and simply search for the Avant Credit Card. Log in, hit enter, and click on the first link that you see here. Once you do that, you'll be taken directly to the page where you can apply online for the credit card. But if you already have your account, click on the login button at the top right. Once you have done that, you will be taken to this login portal where you can enter your email that's connected to your account and then your password. In case you've forgotten your password, click on Don't Remember Your Password and you can send an email to your Gmail, reset your password from there. Now, if your login credentials are correct, you could just go ahead and click on the login option and you should be good to go. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.